Tom? Lisa? What are you doing? Please be quiet. I am ironing. Oh no. No, no, no. What did I do? The dress is burned. Oh, this is her favorite dress. She will be so upset. Oh no. Sarah, honey.
I am so sorry. I made a terrible mistake.
Oh dear, what happened?
My dress. My beautiful red dress. What happened to it? This was my favorite dress. I wore it on our anniversary.
I need to go.
I am going to my mother's house. I need space. Please don't go.
I said I am sorry. It was an accident. Sarah.
It is okay, Dad.
Mom will come back. She loves us very much.
How does Mom do this?
Forget.
Making lunch is very hard work. When is Mommy coming home?
I miss her. I want Mommy. Please stop. I am trying to clean up.
We need to help. Oh no! The pot is too hot! The water is boiling over!
This food does not taste like Mom's cooking.
It is too soft.
Oops.
Oh.
Too much toothpaste. This is harder than it looks. Sorry. The little engine said, "Yawn. I think I can. I think I can."
I miss Mommy so much. I want her. When is she coming home?
She'll be home soon, sweetie. You're safe right here. What have I done? I miss Sarah. The kids miss her too.
Good morning, kids. Here is breakfast. Sorry, it is only cereal again.
Dad is very tired. He needs rest.
Mom does a lot of work. Wait, I have an idea. We need to make a plan. Let us bring Mom home. Hello, is Sarah there?
I see, thank you.
We are coming to visit.
What else do we need? And draw a star for fun. We are cleaning the whole house. Mom will be so surprised and happy.
That's right.
She will.
Good work, team. The house looks perfect. Now we need flowers. You look very nice, Daddy. Mom will love it.
Mom, very handsome.
Let us buy beautiful flowers for Mom. Only the best flowers. Come on.
Dad.
Look at these red roses.
Dad,
Look at these red roses. Mom loves red roses.
very pretty. Perfect. I will take this bouquet, please.
How much do I owe you?
Did Dad do it, Dad?
You can do it, Dad. Just say you are sorry.
Tell Mom you love her. No!
Okay, here we go. I can do this. Deep breath, time to apologize.
This is it. I hope she forgives me. Kids, wish me luck.
Hello, James. I thought you might come. Please come in. Sarah is here.
Sarah, I am so sorry. I was careless. I took you for granted. Please forgive me.
Of course I forgive you.
I love you. You do so much for our family. I see that now. I need you.
I forgive you. I love you too. Let us go home together. I miss you all.
Yay! Mom forgave Dad. We are together again. Group hug. I love you. Mommy,
Look,
there is the park and the store. We are going home.
Oh, We are home. It is so good to be home again.
The house is so clean. You did all this?
I cannot believe it. You made pictures for me. This is beautiful. Thank you. I love you all.
I promise to help more. I appreciate everything you do. Thank you, Sarah.
Thank you. I need you to see how hard I work
Mm-hmm.
to help me more.
Okay.
Yeah.
I love you. I know I love you too.
Stir gently like this. Not too fast. Perfect.
Perfect.
You are learning.
Good job.
This dinner is delicious. Thank you for teaching me. I love you, Sarah.
I love you too. This is the best. All together. I am happy now. I love family time.
And the wild things roared their terrible roars. But Max was not scared.
I love you, Mommy. I am so happy you are home. Good night. I love you too, sweetie. Good night.
I learned my lesson. You are so important. Thank you for forgiving me.
I know, I forgive you.
Thank you for helping with lunches. You are a wonderful husband and father. Have a good day at work. I love you. See you tonight, sweetheart.